and welcome back. For today's video, I'm showing you guys my lock wash routine on how I get welly moisturized, nice clean locks. I always start off with really thoroughly rinsing my hair, like as if I'm washing my hair with the water before I go in with a clarifying shampoo. And because I rinsed my hair for so long, I'm able to get a good lather on the first wash, which is what I want, because the first wash I'm really focusing on my scalp, trying to get rid of any kind of buildup that could have been there from whether it's like dandruff or like you see in the front, I'm squeezing my locks because I get product buildup because I like to slick my edges down. So I'm just focusing on trying to get my scalp and the top part of my lock very clean. And disclaimer, I do not use a clarifying shampoo for every single wash. This is the shampoo that I use to regularly wash my hair, and I love it. I get such a good lather that you're going to see. This is in real time how fast this shampoo actually lathers up for me, which is why I've been sticking with this brand, and it feels so good and heavenly. And yeah, it's just like fun to wash my hair, and I never thought I'd say something like that before. But yeah, I go in and really massage the shampoo into my hair. Like I'm trying to get the shampoo into the middle of my locks, and I rinse out my hair very well each and every time, still squeezing to try to squeeze that shampoo out of the lock. And mind you, I'm shampooing my hair 3 times just to make sure I'm all good. Like I do not play when it comes to these shampoos, so I'm going in. And for me, the last shampoo is where I really spend a lot of time rinsing out my hair thoroughly, because you do not want shampoo to be stuck in the middle of your locks. And I'm just showing you guys how clean my scalp and my locks are just from those 3 washes. Anytime I use a clarifying shampoo, I will always condition. So I use about that much conditioner. I rub my palms together. I put water in my palms and I throw it on my head, and I do that about twice. Now you can get a spray bottle and not be ghetto about it, but this has just been working for me. So I spread the conditioner through my hair, put it up in this ponytail, and I would actually go take a real shower. And then after my shower is where I go ahead and rinse out that conditioner with cold water. Once I'm done doing that, I really squeeze any excess water out of my hair so that the process of me wrapping it up in my t-shirt, it'll dry a lot faster. Now here I'm just squeezing out any more excess moisture, as much as I can possibly get out before I actually start my moisture routine. This is how my locks look with no other products on it, just fresh out the wash. I'm moisturizing with aloe vera juice and distilled water. And I just thoroughly spray that all around my head, just pretty much every single angle that I can get at. And then I'm going to go in and massage it into my locks just to get that moisture in there. And I use these 2 oils to go ahead and seal that moisture. I start off with the avocado oil first, and I just spread that all throughout my head basically. You'll see I make little parts and I rub it from root to the ends just to make sure I can lock a lot of that moisture in. And also make sure I get the back as well as my edges, because I want to keep them. And then I take just 2 drops of some vitamin E oil because I feel like it adds a nice little sheen. And I also feel like it's another layer of sealing that moisture into my hair. And I haven't noticed any issues with buildup, so I've continued to do that. And this is how my hair is. Kind of shiny, very clean, smells good, moisturized, soft. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys all next video.